Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video you can see that I'm building out a webinar landing registration page. So we've got most of it done. I've got 3 secrets which I've handed to my designer. What I haven't done is updated this section of the template, and I'm going to show you how to do that using, of course, Chat GPT. What we're going to do is copy. So this here is the sales page for the course, which is awesome. fourthmind.ai. I suggest you check it out. What I'm showing you here is Control A, right click, copy. So that's all the content, all the textual content of the course. So we go back here and I'll show you the prompt I'm going to use. So simple. I'm creating a webinar registration page. I need to replace this default text, including a title and summary, to here is the sales copy from the sales page. And here is the default text that needs to be replaced. So go back here. This is the default text that needs to be replaced. Can you provide a new title and summary to help inspire people to register for the new upcoming webinar? Thanks. And let's see what it does. Unlock the power of AI, revolutionize your business with Chat GPT, and the summary is: discover how to harness the power of Chat GPT and to thrive in the AI revolution. Join our exclusive live webinar to learn cutting-edge strategies, capitalize on untapped opportunities, and revolutionize your business. Stay ahead of the curve, become an AI pioneer, and secure your success in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Register now and don't miss this chance to transform your entrepreneurial journey. So now I take this, copy it, paste it to my designer, and we're all done. How cool is that? Now that took me, I'm looking at the timer on Camtasia, 4 minutes, including creating a video. If that's not a great pitch to register for this upcoming webinar, I really don't know what is. And the link is in the description of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.